everyone. It's me again, Maria Velez from SoftwareOne. We're continuing the IT Legends with Agentic AI conversation. And joining me today is Alex Okumura, who specializes in Microsoft security. Thank you for being with me today, Alex.
Hey, Maria. Happy to be here.
Alex, in my last conversation with Andrea, we talked about Copilot readiness as the on-ramp to Agentic AI. But the next question, maybe the most important question is, how do I scale AI safely?
So, Maria, that's a great question. So, customers want the power of autonomous engines, right? But security, identity, and governance can be bottled on later. So that's where channel partners are asking for help.
Yes, and that's exactly why SoftwareOne Security Advisory for Microsoft exists. We take a hard look at where customers are today, spotlight security gaps, and build a practical roadmap grounded in zero trust and compliance best practices. So no theories here. From assessing vulnerabilities to optimizing Defender, Sentinel, Entra, and Purview, we help customers build a security foundation strong enough to support AI innovation with confidence.
Yes, spot on. And this is where Microsoft 365 E7 changed the conversation. E7 is Microsoft's first frontier suite built, specifically to scale agentic AI with intelligence and trust. Those are the combination, bringing productivity, Copilot, Agent 365, identity, security, and governance together in one platform.
Yep, and with E7, security and governance aren't afterthoughts. They're built in. And Agent 365 provides a governance plane for AI agents, while Entra, Defender, and Purview ensure identity, data protection, and threat detections are enforced as agents operate across the organization.
So when SoftwareOne Security Advisory and Microsoft E7 come together, Agentic AI becomes not just possible, but operational.
Yeah, and for channel partners, this is so powerful, right? So we show up together, partners owning the customer conversation and strategy, with SoftwareOne backing you up with the security expertise needed to operationalize E7 and agent governance. So you stay front and center as the trusted advisor. We make sure the AI foundation is rock solid, compliant, and built to scale because, let's be real, figure it out later isn't a security strategy.
Now, this is the approach. That's how we move customers from experimentation to production, from pilots to governed and autonomous workflows.
And it's how channel partners help customers realize the full promise of Agentic AI with confidence, clarity, and control.
Together, Microsoft, SoftwareOne, and our channel partners, we don't just deploy AI. We make Agentic AI security and a trusted reality. And once again, turn our partners into IT legends.
Yes, that is correct. And thank you once again for joining me today, Alex. Security and governance make Agentic AI possible. But there's one more question every customer must answer, and that is, where do AI agents actually run and how do they scale? In our next episode, we'll show you why Azure is the engine behind Agentic AI. This is the journey to frontier, and every step matters.